aim to synthesize benzoic acid from ethyl benzoate. In that synthesis, to form benzoic acid with the help of ethyl benzoate. This is the reaction of benzoic acid. In that reaction, ethyl benzoate. This is the structure of ethyl benzoate. Benzene ring, C double bond O and OC2H5. This is the ethyl benzoate. It reacts with NaOH. Ethyl benzoate is react with NaOH. In presence of heat, it gives sodium benzoate. Okay, here is the removal of C2H5 and here is the addition of Na plus ion and formation of here sodium benzoate. Benzene ring, C double bond O Na. Then this C2H5 and OH. The removal of this C2H5 OH. Ethyl acid is removed. Then this sodium benzoate is react with concentrated hydrochloric acid. This sodium benzoate, benzene ring, C double bond O Na. This is the structure of sodium benzoate. This sodium benzoate is react with concentrated hydrochloric acid and it gives benzene ring, C double bond O. This hydrogen H plus ion attack here means here is the formation of C double bond O H and NaCl. This NaCl is removed. This is the reaction of benzoic acid. Okay, ethyl benzoate is react with NaOH. In presence of heat, it gives sodium benzoate. Then this sodium benzoate is react with hydrochloric acid and it gives benzoic acid plus sodium chloride. This is the reaction of benzoic acid. Then next part is the mechanism. In that mechanism, this is the structure of ethyl benzoate. Benzene ring, C double bond O C2H5. This is the structure of ethyl benzoate. Here is the carbocation, C plus ion is present. This ethyl benzoate is react with NaOH, Na plus and OH minus ion. Positive negative attraction. That's why this OH minus ion attack C carbocation means here is the formation of benzene ring, C OH minus. Here is the carbocation and this OH minus ion attack here means here is the formation of CO bond. C OH, remaining structure same, C double bond O. One bond is shifted here means here is the formation of CO minus. CO minus OC2H5. Then next step removal of this OC2H5. This OC2H5 is removed. Formation of here benzene ring, C double bond O OH plus C2H5O. Okay. Then next one is the next step exchange. H plus ion is exchange. This hydrogen atom is exchange here means here is the formation of C2H5OH. Here is the formation of C2H5OH and here is the formation of only benzene ring, C double bond O minus. Then next step protonation take place in next step addition of H plus ion. Addition of H plus ion means here is the formation of C double bond OH and here is the formation of benzoic acid. In that last step here is the protonation take place means addition of H plus ion. This is the mechanism of benzoic acid. Then next one is the calculating part. First calculate theoretical yield. Okay. Then 1 mole of ethyl benzoate is equivalent to 1 mole of benzoic acid. 1 mole of ethyl benzoate is equivalent to 1 mole of benzoic acid. Then add here molecular weight of ethyl benzoate. 150.17 gram of ethyl benzoate is equivalent to 122.12 gram of benzoic acid. 122.12 gram is the molecular weight of benzoic acid. 150.17 gram molecular weight ethyl benzoate. Okay. Then in your experiment you have to take 2 gram of ethyl benzoate. 2 gram of ethyl benzoate. That's why I am here writing 2 gram of ethyl benzoate is equal to X. Then cross multiplication and X is equal to homogeneous. This is the theoretical yield. Then calculate practical yield percentage yield. Okay. Percentage yield practical yield divided by theoretical yield into 100.